One, two, three.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to another English class. Today we are going to discover another new sound. Previously we learned that the letter O and the letter W makes the O sound. Okay? This is because the troublemaker water walrus loves to splash water at Oscar Orange. But luckily, Mr. O is there to block Water Walrus and protect Oscar Orange, making his O sound. So when you see O and W together, they make some words such as snow, throw, slow. Hey, wait for me. Can you tell me more O words? I'm gonna give you a few seconds. Say it out loud. Ready? Go! Time's up! How many words did you say out loud? As for today, we're going to find out what happens if Mr. O isn't there to protect Oscar Orange. Do you want to know what happens? Are you ready? Ta-da! Look at poor Oscar Orange. Do you want to find out what happens in the story? Open your ears big and wide and listen. Whenever you see Walter Walrus next to Oscar Orange in a word, guess what? You can expect trouble because Walter Walrus will start splashing salty water again and it gets in Oscar's eyes. But Walter always forgets that when you tease someone, you'll end up hurting yourself too. Walter loses his balance and bumped his chin. Boom! So now they both howl, ow! So when the salty water get into Oscar Orange's eyes, Oscar Orange says, ow! And while teasing Oscar Orange, Walter Walrus accidentally bumped his chin, causing Walter Walrus to also say, ow! While Oscar and Walter are both howling, ow! The children are having fun chasing each other and playing with the inflatable vowels, such as A, E, I, O, U, the 5 vowels, down in the pool. Not everyone is happy though. Look at the lady frowning as she holds up her dressing gown. Do you see a frowning lady? There you go, she's frowning over there. I wonder what she's so upset about. Her gown and towels are damp as they were too close to the powerful shower. They were too close to the shower, so her gown and the clothes are all wet. Can you see the crowd under the tree near the tower in the town? Can you see the crowd? Oh, there's a crowd over there. There's a crowd under the tree in the town. So this is the frowning lady with her gown, and far behind there is a crowd of people in the town with the tall tower. Okay, what do you think the crowd of people are looking at? Do you think they are looking at the cows? How many cows can you see? 1, 2, 3. Do you remember all the owl words? Let's look again. Look, what are they doing? Shower. Very good. And next to them we see towel. Very good. And remember, she's upset. So what is she doing? Frowning. Can you frown like this? Frown. Okay? And then she's holding a gown. Very good. And behind here, remember we saw a crowd looking at some cows. And also down here is some powder to put on your body. Let's discover more owl words, and we are going to do it by only changing one alphabet. Now, what word do you see right here? Over here we have k, owl, cow. Now, what if I change the letter C into a letter N? What word do I have right now? Owl, now. Very good. How about if I change it to a B? Say the sound. B, owl, bow. Now I'm going to change the letter B to a letter H. What sound does the letter H make? Ow, how. Last one, if I change the letter H into a W, what word do I get? Wow! Now it's time, you guessed it, to bring out your word bank book and turn to page 20. Then look for owl. Okay? Write the day and the date. What day is it today? If yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday. Spell Monday by yourself. Write it up here. And the date today is the 27th of April. Let's spell April. 1, 2, 3. April 2020. Then write down all the owl words that we've learned just now. Now, remember, don't be confused because there are some OW words that belongs here. The O sound. Don't write any O words in here. Make sure the words that you write inside all makes the owl sound. And oh,
Meow, 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 meow.
yes, Fluffy.
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh, Fluffy has something for me.
Meow, meow, meow.
Ah, thanks, Fluffy. Seems that Fluffy found a word for us. What is this? Very good. Owl. Be sure to write owl inside your word bank book. If you want to find out more words that has the owl sound, be sure to watch the videos that I've attached in this online classroom. Once you have completed writing down all the owl words in your word bank, be sure to look for me at my second video for the part 2 of your lesson. See you later!